Hello guys. In this video ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin i-contact yung GCash customer support via call. So napakadali lang pong i-contact nila. Gumamit lang po tayo ng TM or Globe SIM para i-contact sila guys via call. So dial lang po natin yung 2882 guys using our TM. So TM po yung ginagamit ko ngayon, no? So sundan lang po natin kung paano ang gagawin ko.
Hijack messages. Remember, official GCash will never send links. Stay alert. Hi, thank you for calling GCash. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. If you are the owner of the account, press 1. Otherwise,
So press 1 tayo guys since tayo po yung may-ari nitong number na to.
to assist you better, please have your GCash number and transaction or ticket reference ready. To follow up on an existing ticket, please go to the GCash app, tap Help, then go to Tickets. For login concerns, press 1. For reporting lost or stolen phone or SIM, press 2. For transaction concerns, press 3. For reporting fraud, unrecognized transactions, or compromised access, press 4. For questions about your GCash card, press 5. For other inquiries, you may visit the help center at help.gcash.com. To
So
hear the
pili
options
lang po
again,
tayo dito. At for
press 6.
example guys, pili tayo number 4.
For scam-related concerns, press 1. For account takeover, press 2. For unauthorized transaction, press 3. For follow-up on ticket status, press 4. For other concerns, press 5. To hear the options, in order to help you, we may ask for some personal information. If you agree to the collection and usage of your data according to GCash's data privacy policy, press 1. Otherwise, you will now be connected to the next available customer representative. Please note that this call will be recorded for training and quality assurance purposes.
So ganun lamang guys, no? So hintayin lang po natin na mag-connect yung call natin to a customer support at pwede mo nang erase yung mga katanungan mo regarding dun sa GCash problems na na-encounter mo.